1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so here we are at our first arpeggio. This one is B flat major. So we've got B flat, D, F, D, E flat. We move to our second note, our second arpeggio. This one's a minor arpeggio. So it's C, E flat, G, E flat, C. We move to our third one. This is on D. This is also a minor arpeggio. D, F, A, F, D. We move to our fourth one. This is a major arpeggio. E flat, G, B flat, G, E flat. Then we go up to F. Our fifth one, also a major arpeggio. F, A, C, A, F. Now we move to number 6, a minor arpeggio. We have G, B flat, D, B flat, G. Next one, number 7, A. This is not major or minor. This one is a diminished arpeggio. So we have A, C, E flat, C, A. And then we finish at the octave. Same thing as where we started, but we're up here now. So B flat, D, F, D, B flat. Make sure that you're doing all these with your alternating sticking. And that is about it. Good luck.